Visualize having in SQL. Filter after group by.
Okay, today we will understand the having clause in the SQL, and that with the help of question, find the cities where total sales is greater than 2000. So here we have been given a sales table like our previous tables. We are continuing here. We have been given the sales table, and this is the table: order ID, order date, city, category, amount. What is asked here is find the cities where total sales is greater than 2000. So we have to get the city name where total sales is greater than 2000. So we need the output to column. One is city name, another is total sales. And total sales, what is the total sales? Like for example, Delhi. 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 rows. So what will be total sales in Delhi? Obviously you have to sum up all the amounts in Delhi and then come back to the final one row, that is the total sales, right? Okay, now let's start with this. So we can write it like first from table, from sales orders, and then we can select everything. Now we need to just group by city. Why? Because we need to find the cities where total sales, so we need to group by on the city. Now here is the having clause, it will come. So having clause, what we need the total sales is total sales which is greater than 2000. What is the total sales? So amount is the column, but amount is not total sales. Total sales is sum of amount, that is the total sales. Sum of amount should be greater than 2000. Now what we need in the select statement, obviously the city is required, and then sum of amount is required as total sales. Hopefully this is correct now. So let's execute and see. Okay, we can see Delhi is the city where total sales was more than 2000, that is 3000. Mumbai is the city where 3200, and Pune is the city where 2600. Let's just reconfirm this with one of the example. So for Pune the sales is here is 400. Pune again here sales is 1500, so 1500 400 1900, and again Pune 700, so 1900 and 700 2600. Similarly for each city we are calculating it. Okay, now let's understand this same SQL with the help of Excel sheet. We'll just visualize the flow. We come back to the Excel. Here you see this is your sales table, and in this sales table you have different order ID, order date, city, category, amount. These all informations you have. Now the question to you is, in each, tell me the cities which have done total sales more than 2000. So definitely you have to find the city name and what is the total sales it has done. Then you have to filter the city name where total sales is more than 2000. Now you can see here city is Delhi is like 5 times different rows, right? So you have to just bring all the rows of Delhi in one place. You have to bring all the rows of Mumbai, like these two are here and this is here, sales is here. So all you have to bring it in one place. Then definitely you have to do the group by city, right? Now if you do the group by city here, it comes like this. So all the Delhi came here, all the amount of Delhi is here. I mean the complete row of Delhi is here, Mumbai is here, Pune is here. So this way we have done the grouping. Now if you visualize more on the grouping how it is, just understand it like a different bucket. So this is your first bucket where all the Delhi data is kept. This is your second bucket where all the Mumbai data is kept, and this is the third bucket where all the Pune data is kept. So all the three cities are kept in three buckets. Now from these two, what we need, so we need to calculate the amount, right? Sum of amount. Now if you take this like for city Delhi, right? Delhi is a group. These are the amounts available. For city Mumbai, these are the amounts available. This one. Similarly for city Pune, these are the amounts available. Now you have to sum all this amount to reach to a final row for Delhi. You can say that okay, Delhi, this is the total sales. For Mumbai, this is the total sales, and for Pune, that will be the total sales. That way we are getting it here. So it's summing up all the Delhi values of this, and we are coming to a final result that okay, in Delhi there is total 3000 sales done. For Mumbai, you're summing up all this value and coming up 3250 sales is done. Similarly for Pune we are calculating 2600. Now this, once we have for each group we have calculated the total sales, that is sum of amount. Now we can put it into one filter on this, that is having sum of amount greater than 2000. Now if you see, this is also greater than, this is to greater than 2000, it comes in the final output. This is greater than 2000 sum of amount, yes, it comes in the row, comes in the final output. Similarly sum of amount is, if you're looking for greater than 2000, it satisfies the 2000, so this complete row come in the output. So this way we get the output. I hope you are able to visualize